Hi guys, welcome back. I have a quick review for you. This I received from DHGate. I've never ordered from them before. This is something new, so we're gonna check it out together. So I really needed a new, cosmetic bag for travel, and that's what this is. So we're gonna check out the quality, and we're gonna check out what it looks like. Okay guys, so first off the bat, I thought this was not going to be kind of a leathery, faux leather texture, but it is. I thought it was going to be more of cloth. So this would be really easy to wipe off and clean, which is great. You can see the handles are here, and it's my favorite color, pink, but you can snap. It's not even a snap, it's a magnetic closure to keep those together. And then when you want to open it up, you just do so like that. And this is what it's like inside. Now you can open it like this and then like this, and you see you have 4 compartments to be able to put all of your travel accessories, cosmetics, shampoo, makeup up. And here's the kicker. You have a hanger right here to be able to hang it up like in the bathroom in the hotel or the Airbnb, and then you just have it sitting there and you can grab from it. It's really spacious, let me say it right. Once you get it filled, you'll have a lot of room for expansion. Yes, 10 out of 10. Go ahead and check the link to be able to grab this and to also check out other things from DHGate, but I am so excited about this. I'm definitely going to be using this. This is better than the one that I currently have. I am so grateful for the upgrade. Thank you. Check out the link.